Aadi, have you calculated how much you need to pay?
No, why should I? The bill will be generated at the payment counter.
True, but aren't you curious about how the machine generates the bill? Or how the code for that works?
Oh, I didn't think about that.
You should always be curious about this stuff, especially since you're learning coding.
You're right, I should be. I'll try to write a code for it later, but right now I have to go to school after shopping.
No worries.
Hey guys, Gogu told me to write a code for generating a bill for the items we bought from the shop.
That's a great idea. Let's try it.
Very interesting. Let's do it.
First, what data do we need?
The name of the article we bought, and then...
We need the price of the article, of course.
Yes, and the quantity we purchased.
That sounds right. Let's start coding.
Yes. First, to ask for the name of the article.
Next, we need to ask for the price of the article.
I'll write the code to accept the quantity.
Great. Now we have all the information. We just need to multiply the price and quantity to calculate the amount to pay.
Wait! We have to convert the values of price and QTY into numbers for the calculation, right?
Exactly. The teacher taught us we need numbers for calculations. She also showed us the evil function for converting values.
Awesome, let's code it.
Now we just need to display the bill amount on the screen.
I'll do that!
Yay, the code is ready!
Good morning, everyone.
Good
morning,
teacher. Teacher, we tried something new in coding. We generate bill for items we bought from a shop. Could you check it for us?
That's amazing. Let's run it. Wow, your code is perfect. Great job, everyone. Remember to apply your coding skills to real-life problems, just like this.
Thank you, teacher.
So, what did we learn today? Aadi and his friends figured out how to calculate prices and generate bills using code. Pretty cool, huh? You can try it too. Next time you're at a store, impress everyone with your coding skills, or just ask for a discount. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to learn more with Aadi and me. See you next time.